I'm here with Nico today, and we're actually going to take a sauna session today, and we're actually going to drop scientific knowledge about how to take actually a sauna healthily, but also why it is most healthy.
So if you don't only want to enjoy a sauna by itself, but also know why enjoying it is actually healthy, you should stay tuned. Hi guys, how's it going? So you wanted to know a couple of quick facts about the sauna. So saunas are, when compared to hammams for example, they're a lot drier. So Finnish saunas usually have between 10 and 20% humidity. They are really hot, between 80 to 100 degrees, and this dry air is actually really beneficial to the body. So what it does is it makes you sweat almost immediately, start sweating immediately, which also makes you during one round of sauna of 15 minutes lose about half a liter of sweat. So like a big glass of sweat you just sweat it out. So it's really important that after each sauna you drink about 1, 2, 3 glasses of water, and also in between sauna rounds you drink a lot of water so that you stay hydrated.
Alright, we're going to the first round, and what you want to actually consider is that if you take a shower before you go back into the sauna in the first round, you actually want to dry your body again. Because if you're wet getting into the sauna in the first 5 minutes, you just evaporate the water that is already on your skin. So by drying it, you instantly start sweating and you get the health benefits.
That out of hygienic reasons, you should always take a sauna with as little clothes on as possible. Guys, so we just finished our first round of sauna, and what many people do wrong is they take a cold shower right away now, but you don't want to do this because it puts a lot of stress onto your cardiovascular system. So what you instead want to do is you want to relax for a little bit, just want to let the cardiovascular system cool down again, and then afterwards you can take a cold shower or you can take a plunge in the nice cold bathtub.
Okay. Alright, second round is done. And the fact that I personally found most striking when it comes down to sauna and taking an ice bath and what is happening is regarding your cardiovascular system. So when you're in a sauna, it's hot, so the cardiovascular system is extending, it's getting wider, right? Because you want to cool down. Though now we're going into the cold pool again, and your cardiovascular system is contracting, right? So what you're training here is the elasticity of your cardiovascular system, which lasts for about a week. That's why you should go into the sauna roughly once a week. And this leads to just a better blood flow. It's good for blood pressure if you're having a high blood pressure. And generally, you feel more healthy, you feel more active, you feel more fit, right? Because when it's more elastic, your cardiovascular system, there's more blood flowing. And the blood is also oxygen, but also generally your nutrition, which going from A to B. And now we're going into the ice bath again, which I kind of hate, but it's also a nice pain. Let's do that. It's better than last time.
Is it cold?
Slightly. And now the cardiovascular system contracts again, right? So you're training the elasticity of the cardiovascular system, which is super healthy, and that's what you want to get. So the last thing that I really love when it comes down to going into the sauna or into the cold water is that you produce more of the white blood cells, which are key for your immune system. So you prevent getting the cold, but also generally you feel more healthy. Alright, and now we're going for a third round, right? Alright guys, we're ending the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you gained some inspiration. Also, you gained some knowledge about how to take the sauna. Have fun with it, get healthy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.